hello. How's everybody doing? It's not very cold today, but gloomy day. And I came to visit Kharkiv Zoo. It opened, I think last year, October, but I haven't been there because it was so tough to see things. But in winter it is free, and also a lot of things I want to see because it is so exciting, and I can't wait to see so many animals, new animals today. Unfortunately, due to snow, animals are not outside. They are in glass cage or glass boxes or cage, so it will be really interesting to see, because in winter and in summer there will be a huge difference. So let's get started. Cage for deer, and I think they are raccoon dog. Yeah, they are called. Let me show you. They are known as Sika deer, but they are spotted deer in my country. They say spotted deer, or in India and Bangladesh they are available. And this is raccoon dog. They are. Unfortunately, they show the territorial things, but I'm so unfortunate I can't read properly here. And this is their cage, which is full of snow. This really beautiful cage. I think there is something waiting. Let me see. This is bear sanctuary, so beautiful.